Before starting a Python program, let's do an overview of the TI Nspire CX2 calculator keyboard and user interface. Press the ON key with the house symbol in the upper right corner of the keyboard to turn the calculator on. Pressing the ON key will bring you to the home screen of the calculator. The home screen is the jumping off point for accessing and managing your TI Nspire document files. TI Nspire documents can have several pages. You set up the pages to include apps. The apps include Calculator, Grapher, Geometry, Spreadsheet, Python Program Editor, and more. Browse allows you to view and manage your saved documents. Current returns you to the document that you currently have open. You can also press the ON home key to toggle between the home screen and your current document. We will start a new document in the next video. First, let's do a tour of the keyboard. I will point out the zones of the keyboard and highlight some of the keys that you will use frequently when entering Python programs. The keyboard has three zones: the bottom for alpha entry, the middle for math entry, and the top for navigation, input, and document management. First, let's look at the bottom alpha entry zone. The keys are in ABC order because of exam agency rules. The space key is on the lower right. The comma is on the lower left. The key with the question mark label brings up a menu of characters including the colon, underscore, and degree symbol. The Shift key for capital letters is in the top zone of the calculator. The middle zone of the keyboard is for math entry. Enter in the lower right corner is used to select from menus and to submit commands to the calculator, among other things. Parentheses are in the lower left. Equal is in the upper left. Comparison operators are on the control function menu of the equal key. Quotes for entering strings are available as a control function of the multiply key. The top zone is for navigation, input, and document management. The blue control key gives you access to all of the control functions on the keyboard labeled in blue. Press and release the control key, then select the key under the blue label. Tab is used to move from input field to input field, or to indent, which is important in Python programming. Many common computer shortcuts are available on the TI Nspire. For example, Control-C, Control-V, Control-S, and the very useful Control-Z for undo. Escape in the upper left allows you to back out of menus and dialogues. The ON key turns on the calculator and returns you to the home screen. You can also toggle to your current document. The control function of the ON key turns the calculator off. The menu key is very important for bringing up the functions of each app. The delete key is a destructive backspace. The touchpad area in the center of the keyboard is used in two ways. When you click on the edges, you get the action of arrow keys to move left, right, down, up. Arrows are very useful for navigating menus and for editing text in a program. You can also use the touchpad area to control a pointer as on a laptop touchpad. I recommend using your index finger on the surface of the touchpad. You can select with the pointer by doing a center click. Now that we have completed a tour of the keyboard, we are ready to open a new document and write a Python program. Please join me in the next video.